right, so let's check out the rechargeable spotlight. Just got it for hurricane season. Let's unlock it, see what comes with it. There's a charger there. And this looks like some type of a handle or a tripod. And here we go. Bam. Looks pretty beefy. All right, let's take a look at it. Interesting. All right, so we're gonna have to charge this, I believe. Let's see if it turns on. Oh, look at that. So I'm pressing this button here, watch. So it's got like 3 modes, okay? So the bottom button turns this on, and you can see it's got 3 modes. So it's got 1, 2, 3, then off. Bam, done. 1, 2, 3, and off. All right, this, I do believe, opens up and you can make a tripod out of it. And it looks like, yeah, you do it like this. Check it out. So now you can just set this thing up and do your, let's just put it all the way on. Right, there it is. So now check it out. So if you got to do some work here, and then if you're going to put a spotlight on something, bam, done. Right now, let's figure out how we charge this thing. That's pretty nifty. I like that. It's like you got a free, you could use this for cameras too if you wanted to. All right, so I do believe that the USB is here. There's your charge port. There's a USB port. And I think you can charge it with USB or the DC on regular. So we'll have to try it out. This is what the name of it is. Buysight model 8743J. And it's supposed to be 1,000 lumens. We'll try it out tonight outside and see how it works. It also comes with this charger, and you've got a little strap that you can hook onto it, which I don't know if I'll use it or not. I may give this to Lynette to use for her phone. But this is your charger here, and it goes right into this port here. Let me show you. And then you plug it into your wall socket. It's just a regular wall socket, and this is the transformer, I guess, that turns it into 12 volt or whatever it is. So we'll charge it up, get it really good and charged up for tonight, and then we'll try it out and see how it works. So if you wanted to, you could just like hook this down here onto this, and then you've got, you could do it with both of these here, and you can carry it like this around your shoulder if you want. I don't know if I'm going to keep those on there or not. Probably not. Pull that off. Pull this one off. If I can, shoot. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and plug her in, and we'll check it out tonight. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and plug it right in here. And you can see it's got a red light on there, and we'll just come back and check it in a couple hours.